Stick your hand in us and touch him so he moves. Well, move your hand now.
Oh my God. I can't even see it.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, Jesus.
You want me to hold him for you?
No, Austin, no. This fish is weird. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Stop. I'm trying to record it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what.
That's a weird kind of fish. Can you take a picture of it, show it to Bill Joe? Oh my God! He's dying. I don't want him to die.